Kota, and this is for this is the video for project 3 for the course CSC 548. And in this project we will be is based on the SDN based DOS attacks and its mitigation. In this there are 4 tasks. We will first create a mininet topology with 4 container, 1 host, 1 controller, and a switch. And the second task is to assign IP addresses to the host. The third one is to do a DOS attack from any of the like host 1 to any of the host. So I've chosen the host 2 for this. And fourth one is to implement a firewall that will prevent this denial of service attack. So let me go ahead and start demonstrating this. So I am using Parallels for this project. So let me go and to my parallel folders. So open computer home. So I will go to the terminal, and as the first task is to create a mininet topology with 4 container host and 1 controller and 1 switch. We can do this that with this command. And so this creates 4 host, 1 controller, and 1 switch. The second task is to assign the IP addresses to each of this host. So with the IPAF command, we can go ahead and assign the IP addresses. So yeah, the 4 hosts, and we have assigned the 4 IP addresses. And to check, we can do a net. And now you can see the IP addresses are assigned to this 4 host. So this completes the 2 tasks that has been assigned. Now third is to do a DOS, the denial of service attack from one of the hosts. So for that, let's go to the POX directory where I have I've installed the POX. So here, and I'll open the terminal, and with the OpenFlow forwarding command, yeah, so we will open this POX controller, and you see this POX is up and running. Now I'll go back to my mininet and open the extern, the 4 hosts. So this opens all the 4 hosts here. Oops. Okay. So this is host 4, host 1, host 2, and host 3. Okay. So we will check first the flow in before doing the denial of service attack. Let's first check the flow in host 2. So with this, see there is no flooding as of now. So now we'll go ahead and do the flooding from host 1 to host 2 with we'll ping the host 2 command with 10,000 packets and do the flooding. So we can check the flooding in host 2 now. Like you can see, like this now this host 2 has been flooded with So to confirm that, we will ping any of the hosts. So let's ping the host 2, host 4 from host 2 to check whether it has affected any of the hosts or not. So yeah, as you can see, the host is unreachable. So this means that now our host has flooded and then it has affected the network. So this completes the host the task 3. Now we will mitigate by using the firewall configuration that has been provided to us. So let's go ahead and open it again. Okay, so I'll do so now we will do the firewall implementation, so that even if there is a attack, it will not affect any of the hosts. So for that, let's go and open the terminal again. Open the topology. Okay, assign the IP. We'll go to the POX controller directory and open, and we will use the firewall for this. Okay, as you see, the POX controller is up and running. Now we will go back to the mininet and we'll open the terminals to check whether now this firewall can prevent or not. So similarly for H1, and we'll check first the flow in H2. Okay, so for now we will try to flood the host 2 again with this command. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see whether even after flooding the host 2, will check whether it has affected. Let's now ping any of the host. You see, even after flooding, there is no effect. So this firewall prevents any denial of the service attack. So all the screenshots have been attached. Whatever I have shown here is attached, and I will be submitting this report. Thank you.